How to use Uber Eats with Uber Rides. To use Uber Eats alongside your Uber Rides, you can toggle between platforms within the unified Uber application or order food directly to your vehicle's final destination during an active trip. So, you can also try using the unified Uber Super application. You do not need to download two separate applications because Uber has combined both systems in one single interface. All you have to do is launch the Uber application. Now, once you open this, you simply have to tap on the food panel from here. However, this feature is not yet available, but it should be shown over here within the home page. You simply have to tap on the food option, which will instantly switch the interface into the Uber Eats marketplace, allowing you to browse menus and check out the food items over there. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.